It's hump day, y'all. We're halfway to the weekend or to Halloween, whichever one you prefer. Today, we are going to do paraphrasing and summarization. Guys, paraphrase is telling a story in your own words. Summarization is summarizing the main events of a story in a logical order to maintain meaning. And that's what we're going to learn today. Guys, I tell you, if you can't paraphrase or tell me about a story in your own words, you probably did not understand it. Summarization, you ought to be able to summarize what happened. I hate to use this example, but let's say it was a fight. You don't want somebody to come tell you, oh, Miss Brown ran up and broke the fight up and this and that. You want to know who did what. Why were they fighting? You want key information. And that's what a summary is. We're going to summarize the main events. And y'all, I just want to show y'all my shirt. Look, see, just in case for those who think I'm not the queen, that's what my shirt say I am. Y'all, we're going to have a great day. And let's finish strong because tomorrow is your power DOL. That's when you gonna show up and show out. Y'all, I don't celebrate Halloween, but I will spend a whole bunch of Mr. Brown money buying candy for those who do what they need to do. Love y'all.